What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. This video is basically more of a shop update than a particular video of any vehicle. Obviously, we are targeting a lot, the Cybertrucks, because we're doing a lot of them and we love doing them. So that might be in the title, it may not. But I want to show you everything we got going on in the shop here at Purple Flare Wraps. Anything from ceramic window tints to full color changes to paint protection film, etc. It's kind of quick tour of the shop right now. So this Mazda is from one of the body shops we work with. It's a Mazda CX-5 getting a ceramic window tint. So this car has been on an accident, the glass has been replaced, and the body shop is trusting us to retint the windows to match. And we are doing ceramic film by Expel, of course, with a lifetime warranty. That's going to give the customer 88% heat rejection in any shade that we pick or put on the vehicle. Then in this case right here, we have a few Cybertrucks as usual. Very thankful for our Cybertruck community and thankful to Elon Musk, obviously, for making the Cybertrucks stainless steel body, which means no color, which means everybody wants to add color to it. This one is one of many we have in the shop right now. This is a Cyber Beast, as you can see right there. We are doing a satin black or matte black, if you will, paint protection film installation on the full truck. This vehicle got dropped off today. We have fully washed it, done clay bar treatment on it to remove any contamination. This customer has owned the vehicle for a couple weeks, and we are now installing the paint protection film. I'm gonna go around and show you guys that, of course. That other Cybertruck is getting more services. I'm gonna go around this way. This one is also getting ceramic window tint, ceramic coating, amongst other things. Let's go over the installation. So as you can see, he has enough film to wrap around all the edges and provide that maximum coverage, something we take a lot of pride in. This door has been fully installed. As you can see, you cannot see the edge of the raw aluminum because we have successfully wrapped the edges. This paint protection film is going to have a 10-year warranty. It's an 8 mil thick PPF. This one's a satin black, and it's just basically really, really smooth, really nice. Actually going to be getting that on my car next week on my Model X. Then we have this Cybertruck here. This one is getting kind of the works. Ceramic window tint, of course, with this heat you need it. We're also painting the calipers, powder coating the wheels. We're installing platinum wrapping films, black opalus on the entire truck. So as you can see, this color, let me see on this angle, looks different here, kind of looks black. Then it completely shifts to like a bronze or brown. So we're doing a full color change on it. We're gonna be ceramic coating the wrap. We're gonna be installing kind of like a fake window right there, basically to match that triangle over there. We're gonna be installing it right here on the bed. Obviously ceramic window tint, ceramic coating. He's prepping the calipers for paint, as you can see right there. We're gonna be painting the calipers bronze, and we're powder coating the wheels bronze. This Cybertruck has kind of a little bit of a crazy story, and to me highlights why we are the #1 choice when it comes to wrapping and changing the color of your Cybertruck here in Las Vegas. This customer had an appointment with Tesla tomorrow, and initially we told him this job was going to take 2 days. Obviously he added all the other services, like the ceramic coating, powder coating, calipers, etc. So he was calling us now. The truck was dropped off yesterday evening or midday. He was calling us now to pick up the truck today. Obviously that's not going to happen. We don't have the wheels on. We could still finish the wrap, but the wheels are not here. The rims and the tires are not even together. It's fully disassembled. They're stripped. They're getting done. So obviously, due to our connections, I was able to call a Tesla advisor that was able to change the appointment. He had a mobile appointment tomorrow with Tesla to solve a software issue on the truck. They're going to come to his house, and he didn't want to lose that appointment. So I called a service advisor at Tesla and got the appointment switched over to here. So while we're still doing our services, they're going to come here and do what they got to do, which is great, and is one of the many reasons why you want to choose us. If we were to have an issue, we have contacts and we have connections at Tesla that allow us to get things taken care of for our clients as soon as possible. Getting away from the Cybertruck, we have this BMW SUV. We're doing a ceramic window tint as well, also from the body shop. This glass was replaced here. You can see how the body shop likes to mark up their stuff. It's just replacing that tint on that window. We got 2 more Cybertrucks inside the shop. This one is also PPF. This got dropped off yesterday. The satin black PPF is fully completed on there. The truck is now doing the tint process and is getting, I believe, a ceramic coating, and that one will be good to go. That Cybertruck right here is getting a satin black vinyl. Here you go. People like to always ask, What's the difference between vinyl and PPF? This is PPF, that's vinyl. You're gonna see the vinyl has a little bit of a bronze to it, a little bit of a brown color, and the PPF is just a better black. Look at the PPF, perfectly smooth, no orange peel, no texture showing through. On the vinyl, I'm gonna go to a spot where it's clean. You see a little bit of the stainless steel texture showing through, and you see the color, it's not as much of a rich black. It's very nice. I've had black vinyl on personal vehicles before with no issues. I like it. However, this has a 3-year warranty. This has a 10-year warranty. This is 2 mil thick. This is 8 mil thick. So a lot more durability. If you look at the trucks at a glance, they kind of look very similar. Now this guy can go off-roading and not have any issues. This guy cannot, right? So they take the same amount of time. This one costs a little bit more, of course. It's a more expensive product, but it's a premium product out of the two, and the finish is phenomenal. So I kind of highly recommend it. It's the 2 trucks we have here. I guess we have 4 inside. We have a couple more outside. I'll show you guys one that's completed. But before that, I'd like to show you this Tesla Model Y in a full body paint protection film. We're doing Stealth PPF from XPEL. This car is dirty. We're also doing this, so the PPF has been installed, and now we're doing a full transformation on the car. So we're changing, it's a little bit of a mess here, but we changed the OEM shocks, if you will, and we're installing a lowering kit, coilovers from Unplugged Performance. And he's basically keeping it at the same height, but he's just going for the more of a performance feel. Also in the interior, which is kind of the great part here, or the crazy part, we disassembled everything. So we're changing the door panels, we're changing the center console, and we disassembled every single thing. So this interior is basically gutted, if you will. Let me turn off the air conditioning. And we're installing these pads that basically reduce the noise. They come from SoundSkins. So you basically put those on the car, and basically you're not gonna feel any of the vibration as you drive around and hear any noises from the outside. His goal is to make it the quietest Tesla around, and we're helping him accomplish that. So we pulled the seats, we got everything fully disassembled because we do have a shop mechanic. So you can see all the edges are fully wrapped. That's what we take a lot of pride in. Fully wrapped edges, full install that looks clean and durable. You can see from back here, let me see if I can get this camera to go down. Sorry, my camera is doing what it wants, but you can see how we removed every single thing, and we have installed these pads, which they're very thick. It's like a thick foam, and basically it allows, or it reduces the noise, and it does a lot actually. If you hit what we notice is I'm hitting the quarter panel from the outside, and you don't hear or feel anything. It makes a huge difference. And then of course, because we work on all kinds of vehicles, we have 2 Scion XBs. You're good. You're good. You're good. Don't worry about it. Sorry, this is live. We don't edit stuff here. So we got Tony over here is going to be doing the finishing up the Model Y PPF installation, which the trunk is everything left, and obviously we have all of this assembly inside that needs to be done. Then this Scion XB is getting a full color change. Not a very popular car for us. Honestly, we've only done 2 Scion XBs in the last, I don't know, 5 years or so, and they're both here today. So that one's going blue, and that Scion XB also went blue. It's crazy vehicles coming too. This is our Corvette CA that we had since last week, with a full body color change, including door jambs. So everything is wrapped. So we basically pulled the entire door out, and we wrapped everything inside as well. If you go in one of our previous videos, this car was red, or this car is originally red, but we wrapped everything inside the doors, inside the jamb, just to provide the maximum coverage. Rodrigo over there is prepping it for a ceramic coating installation. We also tinted the windows. We only have the windshield left. And this customer, which is a repeat customer, by the way, will be happy with our services again, and we'll be taking this vehicle and being able to enjoy it on the roads. I believe we painted the calipers. Yes, we did. We painted the calipers black, and we added the same color decals on there. OEM style decals, but with the color of the wrap to give it that style and to make it look the same. These are aftermarket wheels, of course. We didn't powder coat this, but it shows you our capabilities. It shows you everything we do. Again, if you have any vehicle, we would love to assist you. Anything from a Corvette to a Cybertruck, to a Model Y, to a Lambo, to a commercial truck wrap or van wrap like that one, to a Scion. We actually treat everybody with the same love. We love to take care of everybody. And we, again, try to provide the best possible service and the best possible quality of installation on all of our installations. Doesn't matter the car, doesn't matter the year, as long as you pay for our services and, whatever we agreed on is what we're going to provide you. We have one of our installers here wrapping this car in blue. This one's going with a light blue from Cheetah Wrap in this case. We're running a sale, and this is the color the customer selected. It's a very nice looking blue in my opinion, and we're getting that done as we speak. Anyways, thank you so much for watching our video. If you made it this far, please subscribe to our channel. We're going to be doing some giveaways, and we greatly appreciate the support we're getting from the YouTube channel. We appreciate the views, and we appreciate the business. Thank you so much for watching. You got a Cybertruck, you got any vehicle, we'd love to assist you. We'd love to get it protected for you. I'll leave you guys with this last view of this Corvette CA, which got a full color change. It's getting a ceramic coating. We're getting prepped for ceramic coating right now, and then we'll be going home to the customer so he can enjoy his beautiful brand new car. The interior on this vehicle is phenomenal. Hold on. Thank you so much for watching.